I put on my hat. I put on my walking shoes. I'm away. Yeah. I was walking along in the middle of the park. I was looking at the birds, looking at the trees. I was just enjoying the day. Like this. There we go. How's it going? Sitting on a bench with an ice cream in my hand. Smile, turn around, hear the sound. Sound of birdies in the trees, trees are green, green is grass. Grass goes around the lake, lake is through another wave. But a boat in the middle going nowhere fast. It reminds me of a scene like this.